Dear friends, today we are talking about the calculation and measurement of the conveyor belt, how to calculate the length of conveyor belt. So let's start. Belt conveyor systems have several key parts that help them work properly. These parts can vary based on what is being moved and how the system is used. But all conveyor systems have three main parts. One is the belt support. This part keeps the belt moving smoothly. The support must be strong. If it is not, the belt can sag when heavy items are placed on it, leading to slower operation and less efficient. Keeping the belt tight helps the system run well. Second, pulley. This part controls the belt movement. A basic conveyor system has at least two pulleys, one powered pulley that moves the belt and an idle pulley that guides it. More complex system may have additional pulleys along the frame. Third one is a drive unit. This part includes a counter bearing to keep everything moving smoothly. It allows the belt to move in reverse and change directions as needed. Even in systems operated by hand, there is still a drive unit. It just doesn't have a motor. Dear friends, today we are talking about the calculation and measurement of the conveyor belt. When you don't have the old belt or you are developing the new belt conveying system. As you can see in this slide, there are two rollers. Both are in different sizes. Different diameters. But generally, the size of rollers A and B are the same. But if the size of both rollers are different, then also the same video can help you to calculate the belt length with the same formula as you can see in this slide. Now, dear friends, you can see there are two rollers in this slide, and we are considering this that the both rollers are in different sizes. Then how we can calculate the length of the conveyor, where one diameter D1 plus D2 divided by 2 into the value of pi is 3.14. Here we are calculating the circumference of the rollers plus 2L. This L is to be measured between centers, and the result will be the conveyor length actually required to run the material on the conveyor. In this slide, as we explained in our previous slide, it is similar. Here you can simplify the formula. The half of the circumference of roller A and plus half of the circumference of roller B plus 2L is equal to the actual length required for this belt conveyance system as shown in the slide. This is the example you can see in this slide. where the rollers are in different sizes. One is 75 mm, another one is 100 mm, and the distance between both rollers is 2400 mm. And we are putting these all values in the formula. 75 is the D1, 100 is D2, divided by 2 into the value of pi is 3.1416 plus 2L, 2 into 2400. And if you will solve this equation, you will get the actual length, that is 5032.08 mm. Thank you, friend, for watching this video. We love to see you again. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.